Hi, I'm going to discuss Newman and Fisher projections and how to represent in this lecture. So here, first one is Newman projection. In the Newman projection, the molecule is viewed as if you were looking down along the axis of carbon and carbon bond. So here, uh, just we have to. I'm taking one example here. So this is the way of representing in the Newman projection. So here, this center of the circle representing one carbon and this circumference of circle representing one more carbon. So here there are two carbon atoms and we have to view along the axis of carbon and carbon. So here this center representing uh, one carbon, this one representing one carbon atom, and this circumference of circle is representing one more carbon. So here if there is something like ethane, just assume there is an ethane molecule. See here, in ethane each carbon is bonded with four bonds, three bonds with hydrogen atoms and remaining with carbon atom. So here these two carbons, this carbon and this carbon, these two carbons I'm representing with this dot and one more with the circle. So here the center of the circle is the carbon towards the observer, which is closer to observer, and this is the carbon which is away from the observer. So and the bonds whatever here, these bonds starting with circumference of circle, these are bonds of the carbon which are far from observer. So here just see here, this is the away carbon and this is a closer carbon. So here it has three hydrogen bonds and it has three hydrogen bonds. So the front carbon is something which we are representing with dot, and the bonds of these closest hydrogen atoms are representing in this manner, and these hydrogen bonds which are starting from center of the circle are the bonds comes from front carbon. So here in the Newman projection, the two carbon atoms representing one is with center of the circle and another one is circumference of circle. So here whatever the bonds present to the away carbon and uh, towards the carbon, we have to represent like this. And you have to remember always that this those bonds which are coming from center of the circle are towards the observer, and which are starting from the circumference of circle, those are away from the observer. This is all about Newman projection. Next one, if we observe next projection, that is Fisher projection. In this projection we are representing organic molecule in the vertical lines and horizontal lines. So here uh, I'm taking one example. These horizontal lines representing towards the observer, horizontal lines, the bonds or groups, the groups attached to horizontal lines represents towards the observer, and vertical line, those are representing away from the observer. And here you have to remember always most oxidized group always present on top of the vertical line. This is the group most oxidized group. Whatever the group is present in a molecule, we have to represent that on the vertical top. So this is the representation of a Fisher projection, and this center indicates one carbon. So the formula of that compound is CHO, COH, H, and CH2OH. So in this way, we have to represent organic compounds, and remember this should be always a highly oxidized group. Highly oxidized group should be representing on the top of the vertical line. So this is all about Newman and Fisher projections. Thank you for watching my video.